Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll make a doll out of paper bags and jute twine. To start, I'll cut off the thread holding the bottom closed. Okay, next I'll cut down the crease on both sides of the bags. Okay, so now I have 4 different pieces of bag. The smaller bag I'll crunch up. This is going to be the head. Now I'll roll up one of the paper bag pieces. I don't want to make this too tight because otherwise I won't be able to form it. Now I'll roll up another piece of paper bag on top of it. So now I'll pinch one side of it and tie this part off with twine. And then I'll cut off the extra. Okay, now I'll turn all of this inside out. This is the part that if I had it too tight, I wouldn't be able to do it. Okay, now I'll put this part in for the head. And then I'll use more twine for the neck. Now I'll separate the 2 bags, and these will be the arms. Now I'll tie twine around his wrists. Now I'll use these 2 pieces of paper bag for the legs. These ones I'll roll up tight. Okay, that's one leg. Now I'll do it for the other leg. Okay, now I'll tie another piece of twine around his waist. Okay, now it's all done. It's kind of like a big corn husk doll. I've got a little vest for it too. There we go. Oh, and a friend. This guy got all the clothes, so he only gets a vest. So they're really cheap to make. I mean, you can get jute twine at the dollar store, and the paper bags, of course, are free. So, anyway, if you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Okay, now I'll roll up one of the paper bag pieces. Okay, so this one I rolled up too tightly, so this is not going to work. So I guess I'll have to start over.